Yeah, Alex Nelson asks, talking pH adjustments, ever done anything with carbonated water? Making Italian sodas at the brewery and was thinking about pH. You're right to be thinking about pH, homie. And what I think you really should do is grab something commercial that you like to drink that you think is a good example of what you would like to be making, degas it, and shove that probe in there, baby. Find out what its pH is at. That pH can be driven by some different things. It can be driven by the ionic portion or the calcium and magnesium and sulfate and everything like that, the salt type contribution, but it could also be from because those can drop pH as well, but it also could be acid additions. So what I would do is I would degas that thing and get the most neutral one that you can, degas it. And then first of all, taste on that, get a pH reading on it, and start trying to build it back in your brain. Okay. Does it have like a hard water profile or a softer water profile? Is it still acidic? Right. So yeah, I would think about things like that. Also factor in if you are adding in syrups or different things, some of those syrups have a low pH. So kind of like piece it together like that, but grab some commercial things that you like, degas them, gravity readings, pH readings, taste them when they're flat, all that stuff, and then start building that stuff in. My hunch is that you are going to see pH drops on those things because they are going to be looking for ways to make them shelf stable, right? So think about that as well. And that's how I'd break that down. It's time to do some sensory work. Grab some things that you like, degas them, taste them, get them to the right temperature too for your pH reading to be accurate and everything too. I think that's a great way to go about it. I appreciate the question, Alex. Yeah, WebDAN is spot on with ultrasonic cleaners. Yeah, minerality. That's what I'm looking to say. Look at you. We're lifting each other up here in the chat, baby.